Help us understand these factors that have caused the power crisis in China.
So, as you mentioned, there's a number of factors that are conflating that are causing this power crisis in China. Coal is at the heart of the issue. Just to keep it very short, as China came out of the pandemic, economy recovered quite fast, which led to higher energy demand, which led to really rapid production of coal. This led to some mining accidents, and as a result of that, the government starting to put more regulations on safety for coal mining, which constrained coal production earlier this year, which then had an impact on prices. Over the summer, local authorities were really conscious of these issues and tried to coordinate heavily with the power companies to make sure that power supply and demand would be balanced. But by September, they sort of relaxed some of those measures, and to sort of make it even more complicated, power demand in September was higher than expected in many regions, and then some other supplies, particularly hydro and wind in certain areas, were lower than expected. And then in some provinces, the local authorities were also not meeting their energy intensity targets, which resulted in them unilaterally taking the decision to cut power supply to certain sectors of the economy. So it's a little bit complicated, but at the heart of it is really local authorities' decisions.
Just quickly, what does this mean for when China can resolve the crisis then?
So for China, we expect in the short term that authorities will allow power prices to rise. This may have some impact on energy-intense sectors. Particularly, you can imagine the impact on various commodities such as steel and aluminum, which are heavily dependent on electricity consumption.